Hi everyone, Daisy here with another layout share for SpiegelMom Scraps. Today I was using the Maisie Days sequin collection, and it's a beautiful like neutral kind of color palette. Here, let me pour some out so you can see a little bit better. But it's got the browns, and these big sequins are really pearlescent, and they're also kind of a gray tone. They're not exactly clear, and I just love how they're just so beautiful. I just love it. So I decided to go with a layout. I actually was originally going to use a shaker pocket, but I kind of went down this whole different way. So I started by creating this giant envelope, and this envelope, I used my envelope We Are Memory Keepers tool, and it is, I think, a 5x7 or 5x7.5 envelope size. And I made it out of craft paper. I knew I wanted to do this photo. I found this photo the other day, and I'm just so in love with this photo, so I'll probably be scrapping it again. It's just one of my all-time favorites. I love that you can see all of her little freckles, and yeah. But anyhow, I decided that I was going to try to use up some stuff. So that's kind of going to be a goal over the next couple of months, is to use the stuff that I have, and I am hopefully not going to purchase any more. That's probably not going to happen, but you know, whatever. So I pulled out a bunch of old stuff. So I pulled out these cork clouds. These are from One Canoe 2, from like their original collection, I think. I had this burlap heart that I pulled out. These are some journaling cards from some Echo Park collections from way back when, like probably 2009 or something like that. I can't remember. This is from a journaling like flip book, and I just wanted I didn't want the rest of the card, I just wanted the little pieces here. So these are from a Fancy Pants collection, I think. This is from Pink Fresh Studio. This is new. This is from Amy Tangerine's fall collection. It might have been last year's fall collection, but yeah. And I had one of these little leather bows of Amy Tangerine's left, so I put that on there. These are some really old Ellie Studio dark gray letters, and this is just a wood veneer piece. It's like an ornament that I picked up at Michael's because I had a project planned and then didn't actually do it. And then I added a bunch of the puffy stickers and other stickers from the Amy Tangerine, is it late October afternoon collection? So I added a bunch of those, just kind of scattered around where I felt they needed them. On the background, I did stamping. So I used this stamp set, and this is one that I got from Scrapbook and Cards Today, and it's from 2019. So I had a couple of layouts that were published, and so they send you some, you know, fun little things. So I got the stamp set, and it's just super adorable. So I use the leaves, and these are kind of my go-to leaf stamps. So I use them frequently. Not that you get to see all of the things I do with them, but you know, I do use them quite often. And so I just stamped them on the background, and then I used different colors of the archival ink, obviously not the cobalt blue, but I used coffee, sepia, this is like burnt orange, and vermilion are the four colors that I used, and I just wanted them peeking out around. So I thought that that was a really fun way to use them. I'm trying to use my stamps more too. If you haven't noticed, I've been trying really hard to really make use of everything. So then after everything was put down, I put the sequins down, and I just added it where I thought it needed a little bit of sparkle and shine. And then I went way back in my sequin stash, and I found these rustic hearts, I think is what it's called. They're just little wood veneer hearts that SpiegelMom Scraps used to sell. They're not available any longer, but I'm trying to also use up, I have a lot of sequins and things, so I'm trying to use some of that up. And then I finished everything off with some green splatters of Forget Me Not from Shimmers. But yeah, this was just such a fun layout. Like, I recommend just pulling your stuff out and just layering it and just going crazy, because while this is super busy, I also really like how the colors all really go together, and it's kind of a muted color palette, so it's not so like bam in your face. But yeah, and don't forget, if you're going to order something from SpiegelMom Scrap, you can always use my code DAISY15, get 15% off your next purchase. That is not good on the pre-orders, because you already get a 20% discount on the pre-orders on all of the sequins. And there are a few sales that it's not good with, but definitely, you know, try it out. Try putting it on your order. Daisy15 will get you 15% off your next purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll try to do a little, you'll see the close-ups at the end, but I just love how the sparkle, like, you know, the in-between and everything kind of shows you the different layers and everything. So I just love adding sequins to my layouts. But head on over to the Etsy shop, or not the Etsy shop, but to the SpiegelMom Scrap shop, and pick up your favorite sequin mix today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!